This is so stupid. I can't believe I'm doing this. I just don't want to sit in a salon for 3 hours. So I'm going to do like a Balayage, Ombre, Peekaboo. I'm not sure. I'm just going to kind of wing it. My sister Carrie would absolutely kill me if I asked her if I should do this. I could either do like a peekaboo here and maybe somewhere on the face. 1, 2. That's what I think I'm going to do. If it comes out orange and then I have to pay like $400 to get this corrected. I have not dyed my hair in over 2 years. I did IVF, so it's just like I'm going to stop doing anything that's like chemical. So this is my natural hair color. And there's nothing in it whatsoever. It's like January. It's about to be like 15 degrees all week. I need a little change. I need some blonde. This is my disgusting, not my brush. This is my husband's disgusting brush. And I'm going to use it. Do not, whoever's watching this, do not do this. This is the stupidest thing you could ever do. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 8:56 p.m.
8:56, so I should be in the shower by 9:30. Uses this to bleach his hair. And then I do this around the face. I want like a sun-kissed look around my face. I've never used this stuff before. It's done. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Watch some Colty. In this 90 Day Fiance. Colty. We'll see what happens. You will see what happens. This is so stupid. I left it in for 30 minutes. That did not work. I don't think it worked. There's a little bit of a highlight there. Maybe it looks lighter there. My hair's like naturally lighter there. I think that's the only place that it like lightened up. I'm not completely dry yet, but I don't think it works. Guess we'll have to wait and see in like natural light. I think what I'll do is curl it tomorrow and then see if in the light you can see a difference. Oh well, I don't even know. It's like $15 for these. It is the next day, and how does one put bleach in one's hair for 30 minutes and like nada? Do you see anything? What am I missing? I don't, do you see a highlight? Maybe. I was thinking like it'd be like little peekaboo highlights. Does it look lighter in the light? Is there something I could have done? I'm not sure. Besides going to a salon. I feel like maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'll call that like 1-800 number on the box. If anyone knows, let me know.